Today's recipe is almond coconut cake. Please, if today is your first time here, do well to subscribe, like and share this video, and do well to click on the notification bell and leave a comment. Let's get started. So this is a mixture of butter and sugar. Okay, so I'm going to leave the quantities in the description box, and I have my soft flour also here. I have coconut flour here. I have almond flour. I have a video on how to make coconut flour at home. I will leave the link there. And so we are going to make use of eggs and also coconut milk and sugar and baking powder. We're also going to use pineapple flavor. You can use vanilla. So I'm going to add all the flours together and strain them to get it smooth. Yes. And so I'll leave the link of how to make coconut flour at home. If not, you can buy some from organic shops. And so I am straining everything, and I'm going to add baking powder 2 tablespoons to 8. Please do well to like this video, share for me, and leave a comment. Okay. Okay, so because of the almond flour and the coconut flour, I couldn't get everything coming now. So this, I'm not going to throw it away. I will set it aside. And so I'm adding my butter and the sugar. This I mixed and used a portion for something and reserved the rest for this. And I just added sugar also to it because the sugar in it is not much. And so I'm just blending everything together. Okay, so at this point I'm going to add my eggs. I used 8 eggs. Yes, I used 8. At first it was 6, then I increased it to 8. Okay, so I'll mix everything together. And at this point I'm adding my pineapple flavor to it. You can use vanilla, and I'm adding my milk also to it. Okay, and because the flour that I strained I couldn't get everything out of the strainer, I am going to add the one in the colander to it. Yes, I'm going to add it to the liquid ingredients and then whisk it very well to get it smooth before I pour it into my mixing bowl. As for almond and coconut, that is how it is. You won't get it very smooth when you won't get everything coming out. And so if you decide to want it very smooth, then it means you are going to do away with a lot. Okay, so I poured everything into my mixing bowl, and I'm going to add my flour to it and mix everything. You can add salt, yes, but the butter that I use is salted butter, so I didn't add salt to this. Okay, and so mix everything together. So I'm adding the rest. I'll be adding it in small quantities till I'm done adding everything. Please subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. It's very necessary. Okay, and do well to also leave a comment. So I added extra milk to it. Yes, so I will leave the quantity of everything in the description box with the listed ingredients. And so I'm done mixing everything, and I'm going to pour it. I have greased my baking pan and lined with parchment paper. And so I'm going to pour it into each of them, and I'm going to bake this in a gas oven on a medium heat from 25 to 30 minutes. Yes, and so that is it. Okay, so please do well to subscribe. Okay, do well to like this video, comment and share for me, and give this recipe a try and let me know how you enjoyed it. You really enjoy having a cake with almond and coconuts in there. You will love it. Okay, so this is it, and we are going to bake now. Okay, so Please subscribe, like and share this video. And I'm done baking for 30 minutes. Yes, if you are using a gas oven, if you are using an electric oven, you can set it to 175 degrees Celsius and then you bake it. So I'm just taking the parchment paper from it. These are the cupcakes, the cup one. So this is it for our almond coconut cake. Yes, you will love this. Give it a try and you will not regret at all. Give it a try. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and it's very soft. You see, very soft. You're going to enjoy this, every bit of it. The taste is awesome. Okay, so if you are a vegetarian, you can give it this a try. But if you're a vegan, you have to omit the egg and replace it with chia seed or flax seed. You also have to use vegan butter. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like and share the video. Bye bye.